Welcome back to another vlog. It's Wednesday. I just finished getting ready because I have a bunch of content to film. I just put my hair in some bubble braids. I brushed it out the other day, so that's why it looks a little bit different than it normally does when I do bubble braids. Because my curls are brushed out, they just look a lot flatter than normal. Plus I have some oil in my hair right now. I was just trying to do a nice little nourishing treatment because my hair's just been feeling extra dry, and I do have an appointment to get my hair cut on November 20th. Mark my words, it's gonna happen this time. I'm so excited. And in the meantime, I guess I'm just doing protective hairstyles. I washed my PJs over the weekend, and everyone on TikTok has been wondering the same thing I was, whether or not they were gonna make it through the wash with the feathers. And they did. I just let them air dry. I put them in a garment bag on Delicate, and they're as good as new. So I need to make a video letting everyone know that they can buy these and not have to worry about washing them, because you don't want to spend your money on some PJs just to wear once. And I'm actually impressed with how they held up, because I thought I was gonna lose some feathers, or the feathers just weren't gonna come out fluffy. Some people said that they blow dried the feathers, but I didn't even have to do that. This is just all air dry. I didn't even steam it, and it looks like I did. It's way less wrinkly than it was when I first got it in the mail, so I'm so happy about this. So after this video, I need to make a video with this bow sweatshirt, and I just got a couple of emails letting me know that I have a couple more packages that came in the mail off TikTok shop too. So I have a bunch of outfits to catch up on. I took yesterday off because it was election day. My husband had the day off, so whenever he has days off, I like to take the day off too so we can spend time together. So I need to get caught up on my content. This is so freaking cute. I don't know what I'm gonna pair this with though. I haven't even tried this on yet. I'll update you when I figure that out. Update on my Nespresso machine. So they ended up reaching out to me and sending me a refurbished one. And it works. It's just a little weird. I mean, it's like the same exact model that I had. I just sent them my old one, and the new one just kind of makes some weird noises. I just ordered some more coffee pods because all I have left are double espresso pods, and they're okay, but I don't know. I think I'm just getting over Nespresso altogether. I just feel like the Nespresso coffee doesn't wake me up like it used to. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm immune to it. Maybe I'm drinking coffee too much. Even the double espresso pods, like I just made myself one of those right now, and I mean, I drink it for the flavor mainly, but I wouldn't say that it like wakes me up, you know? So I'm debating whether I should invest in an espresso machine or not. I know they're pretty pricey. I saw someone on TikTok say that they got a Breville for like $500 when they usually go for like $800 and up. But for now, I have my espresso machine. I just finished filming this outfit. I love the red and the brown together. I forgot I wanted to do a red lip, but I think it still looks fine without one. I'll just do a red lip when I get photos in either this outfit or with whatever else I pair this top with. I'm gonna edit and post this video, and then we're gonna go pick up my packages. I got both of those videos edited and posted, and I just came back from checking the mail. I thought I had a few more things, but looks like it's gonna take a little bit longer, which is fine because that gives me more time to do other things. But let me show you what I got. The first thing is this One Size Beauty oil sucker. You know me, I'm an oily girly. I already have the One Size setting powder and the spray. I love this spray. That's my holy grail. I'm not wearing it right now, but it keeps my face the mattest. Of all the products that I've tried, that spray keeps my makeup looking good all freaking day. So I wanted to try this oil sucker. I didn't even know they had this. I saw it on TikTok shop, so I got it as a free sample. So I'll be using this tomorrow. And then I ordered some beads because I gotta show you my inspo for my Christmas tree this year. Let me pull up a picture. But I saw it on Pinterest, and I ordered these beads in 2 sizes because I wasn't sure which one I was gonna use. And I'm like, should I use both of the sizes? One's a little bit smaller. This one's a little bit bigger. So I'm going for like a bow pearl theme. I've never done bows on my tree before. I saw everyone doing it last year. Let me show you. Where is that picture? Okay. So this is my inspo. I'm about to make myself some pre-workout right now because my husband and I are about to go on a run. I hate that it gets dark so early now. Ugh. Seasonal depression is real. Happy Thursday. I'm about to put up my Christmas tree. I'm so excited. It's gonna go right here in this corner. So I'm gonna move everything out of the way first. This mirror is heavy. Just gonna have to drag it. I got these PJs from American Eagle last year, and they don't sell this color anymore, but I'll link the other color that they sell. I think it's the same print, just in like a light pink color. It almost looks like a peachy color. Yay, it's up. This makes me so freaking happy. I just need to spend a little bit of time flocking it so it looks more full, and then I'll turn the light on. I could flock this all day, but I think it looks a lot better. I'm about to put this skirt on. I got this one last year. I want to say 2 years ago, but I think I got it last year, and I think it's Cupcakes and Cashmere. I forgot I bought it, and I was looking at tree skirts recently, so I'm glad I didn't get one. I like the white though. I think it's perfect. Was I supposed to do this part first? I think I was, right? That probably would have been easier. I'm looking back at my inspo pic here, and I love the pink and white color scheme, so I think I'm gonna stick to that, but I need some white ornaments, so I'm gonna have to go to TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, or Marshalls and find some. That should be pretty easy. I'm just gonna do one side. Maybe I could go all the way around the tree if I wanted. What do we think? Are these too small? Should I have used the bigger ones? Let me put some bows on there so I can have a better idea. I just made this bow. Is this too small? And then also I'm trying to figure out how long the ribbon should be at the end. That is so cute. Okay, so I need to probably make this about that short, right? To make the bow, I saw this on TikTok or Instagram. You just do one loop, and then you do a second loop. So you have 2 loops like that, and then you just tie them. So it looks kind of messy at first, but then you just adjust it, and look at that, it makes a perfect bow every time. The other one was too big, this one is too small now, so I'm just gonna have a little bit more room. And then whatever size I decide on, I'm just gonna cut all of the ribbon the same length so that they're all the same. I think that's perfect. I like that length. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this the same length. So next I'm gonna take my ribbon, I'm gonna undo this, and I'm gonna make a couple more ribbons, well, as many as I can, the same length as this. And then I'm just gonna tie all of my bows from there. So I'm just gonna line it up. Because I want all of my bows to be the same size. If you don't want all of your bows to be the same size, then you don't have to do this. Okay, I only have 5 bows. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna place all of them just yet. I'm just gonna have to mess around with it. Last one I have. I mean, we're getting there. Let's turn the lights on and see how it looks. My camera's about to die. Let's see. We're making progress. I need a lot more bows. It's about about 3 hours later, I just got off the phone with my sisters. We were FaceTiming for the longest time. I just made myself a matcha. We set up our Secret Santa, so we're all good to go. I need to figure out what I want to put on my wish list this year. While we were on the phone, I was showing them my tree, and my sisters said that it would look better with the bigger beads, so I switched them out, and I think they're definitely right. It does look a lot better. The smaller ones were just too small, so I'm gonna return those, and I need to mess around with it more, obviously. Like, it looks a little funny right now. So I need to get some more bows. I need to get some white ornaments. We're almost there. Trust the process, okay? It's gonna look a lot better once I finish the tree. And I think I'm gonna leave these floating candles up through Christmas too. They're just giving Christmas vibes. It's giving Harry Potter, Happy Christmas, you know the vibes. So those are gonna stay up, plus I feel like I just put those up yesterday. It's about 5:30. My husband and I are heading to the pickleball courts. The last time we played, we won 3 games in a row. That's all we played, so we left on a win. So hopefully today is really good and we don't have too many games where we lose, because before those 3 wins, we were on a losing streak. I'm wearing my Halara dress. I love this thing so much because it has built-in shorts, so I never feel like I'm about to expose myself or accidentally flash someone on the court. I look crazy right now, but we played 3 games and we lost all of them, but the last 2 games were really good. We were really close to winning. Right now we're at Walmart because I'm gonna pick up some more bows because I wanna finish the tree tonight. I feel like putting the tree up just took me way too long, way longer than it should have anyways. All right, let me see, where is it? Can you reach that up there, baby? Can you reach this one? Yeah. Thanks, baby. I found more right here. I think I'm gonna get, should I get 2 or 3? Because I keep always having to come back to get more for like random things. I think maybe 2 will be fine. And they're only $2. Charging for bags.
That can be the one.
I just finished adding some more bows. I got like 6 or 7 more and it looks so much better. It looks full. Now all I need are the ornaments. I'm gonna go look for some tomorrow. Happy Friday. I just got to HomeGoods because I want to see if I can get some cute white ornaments. I feel like they should be really easy to find, but then again, maybe everyone else is looking for white ornaments too, which I hope is not the case. I was going to wash my hair today because it's super dirty, but I went on TikTok and I saw this bounce curl brush. I have the Denman brush, which I've been using for years, but I kind of just fell off using it. I feel like it just takes me a lot longer to style my hair when I use it. So when I saw this bounce curl brush today, when I was scrolling, I was like, I have to get this. I was going to order it on TikTok Shop, but I ended up finding it on Amazon and it's going to get delivered today, like between 5 and 10 p.m. So I don't know if I'm going to wash my hair tonight or tomorrow. I think I'll most likely end up washing it tomorrow. But I'm really excited to use this, and this has like extra bristles. Yeah, so it has vegan boar bristles in it too, where the Denman brush doesn't. And the ridges on the side help define your curls. It's the videos that got me. Let me show you. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's see what HomeGoods has. They have so many options. Like these ones. These ones are cute too, but I'm looking for white. This stocking is so cute. It's by Cupcakes and Cashmere. I need one for an upcoming collab, but think I need it to be a lot bigger than this. Like I need a large stocking. This wreath is so cute. It's only $15. I would get it, but I want a bigger one. I'm back home now. I ended up getting 2 of the same sets. These are by Rachel Zoe from HomeGoods. But when I was checking out, the lady at the register at HomeGoods, they're just getting really good at being pushy. I mean, it wasn't for the TJ Maxx card. They're trying to get a lot of donations right now, which I get, it's the holiday season. But instead of asking me if I wanted to make a donation, she was like, how much are we donating today? And I was like, oh, you know, not today. And she was like, oh, not even the 60 cents or whatever the difference was to round up to the dollar. And I was like, no, thank you. Like, she just like made me feel like kind of uncomfortable for like a split second, like a bad guy for not donating. But I'm like, you know what? Like that's their job and I'm just not obligated to donate every single time that I shop, let alone at all. So I'm sorry, I'm not trying to sound like a Grinch right now, but I was just like, dang pushy. I love how the ornament has a pearlescent chrome finish. It's so perfect. And then I popped over to TJ Maxx. I made a TikTok, so that's why I didn't vlog. And I was looking for this viral green Christmas tree mug with bows on it. It has like pink bows, but I couldn't find it. But instead, I stumbled upon this mug. How freaking cute and perfect is this? I almost didn't get it because I saw this bow. It's like kind of jacked up, but I was like, you know what? No one's gonna see this side of the mug. Like when you hold your mug, you hold it like this. You don't hold it like this. And that's like where it's messed up. So I'm like, no one's ever gonna know. So I ended up getting it. It was only $4.99 and the brand is Sunday Morning Ceramics. And I love how like the top is kind of ridged like that. Okay, yes, this was a good pick. I just need a tree topper now. So that's one set of the ornaments. Now I just don't know if I should put these on too, because you know, they're the same size, or if I should try to look for a set that are a little bit smaller than those, you know, just to have some contrast. I think I'm leaning toward getting a smaller size, so I think I'm gonna either return or exchange this and see if I can find something else, either at HomeGoods, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx, but I like it so far. I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.